Mang-spray ta sa monggos. Dayon magluto sa monggos with papaya flowers. Wala. So guys, natad diri sa farm. Akong payag panahuman. Dara ko ang ganahan nga bulak. Purple flower. Dili pwede sa balay kay mukhaon ng gansa ug manok. Diri na lang. So, dara guys. Akong mais. Kadyo sa guys mo ginhawas ako kay kutas. Kutas. Inom tubig. Water. Hello guys, dara magluto mi og monggos. Muna siya among na-harvest last cropping. Dayon among i-try butangan namo og papaya flowers. And then let's go to our kitchen. Muna siya among kitchen guys, ug muna among CR. Okay. So guys, muna siya mo ang dirty kitchen. Diri mi magluto og monggos. So we will tak ang the monggos to soften. So we have bunot. We use bunot to cook. Chila. Gatawa man. So guys, si Uncle nagdala na sa iyahang Marshag Ninja Turtle. Ninja Turtle. We're going to spray our monggos because we're doing we're doing our monggos. Sige guys, let's go. Let's go, Uncle. So guys, finally, we have jackfruit. Tang. So there's more. Tara. Jackfruit. Hopefully makakauna pugtaan ni guys na. So something to look forward to harvest. And also this other tree. Akong isa ka jackfruit guys, lata. Pero sige lang. Next time the birds eat it. So okay lang. So takang natag munggos guys. We already cook munggos for lunch. So magtukito kita ni Sheila guys. Datag radyo. So matata sa munggos. So guys, this is the way going to our munggos. Agita sa mais. Yellow corn ni siya guys. Mga dugay pa. So look. Yan. There. So, ito sa munggusan guys. Mag-spray si uncle. So, this is the way. So, dili ta mo agi diha guys, kay perting dangoga, mga slide ta. Balik ta sa agi, ari ta pikas. Shit. Wala lang, joke lang. Akong gitry if mo okay ba ang radyo. Ebe. So, party na mo syagit guys. So natay mga kamuti diha dapit. So gibiyaan na ta ni angkong. So diri ta padulong. Okay. So muna itong agianan pa doon munggos guys. Dahil doon. Diba? So nagkuha ng tubig si uncle. He's getting some water for the munggos right now. There. Yan. So this is where we get some water for our medicine. Siya dito guys. So let's just go ahead and leave Uncle. Because Uncle is really langayan. Dugay kaayo. Nagtimpla pa siya siyang medicine. So, Mungus part. Let's go go to the mongos. So, mahogany. Gagmay pa. Banana, lakatan, still small. And kuchas. So the ground is really not good for the ground in here is really not good for the banana, because this used to be a rice field, and banana is not really that compatible for, yeah. Muna to, guys. So there it is. This used to be a rice farm, and because we wanted to have a flat area, so we make use of it. So it's not really that good for the banana because look, watery, but we'll get there. So here's our mongos, guys. So here's our mongos. I only put 5 kilos everything on this one, just to try for the season, because it's really not a season for planting mongos. The planting will be every dry season. So, but I was just trying to check, or just just wanted to experience to plant on rainy season. But yeah, at least I think I can still harvest hopefully a lot. So here, so yeah, there. So here's the mongos area. There. So uncle is spraying because we already have a lot of flowers. So guys, we're going to bring some of this in the house and let's plant this one. No? And hopefully the geese and the chicken won't eat this. At least there's a color on my garden, my mini garden. So guys, it's time to go back to the shed so we can cook our mongos that we harvested last cropping. And magsugok-sugok tagamay din, guys. Nakabit-bit ko bulak, guys. Ito na itanong sa balay. Let's plant this at the house. And there. So we're going to cook. So this is where we harvest our cucumber. Naluding kadali, guys. So that, guys, this is our corn. So let's check if, well, it will be next month we can harvest, hopefully all good. So dili tan out tong corn tatag. So kudara corn, guys, corn everywhere. Corn. Tara. So, our mahogany. Gamatoy pa jud kaayo guys. Ting gamatoya pa jud. So, ito ang pwede na daw ta makakaon guys. Kaluoy ba na yung ato ang dara nahupla. Hopefully next month maka-harvest na ta. Amen. So guys, magsugok-sugok sa a little bit on our corn field. Okay. Magsugbatag corn. Let's cook corn. Pwede yan eh. So guys, we have let's try to cook this one. Subaho na to. Tilawan na to. Pwede lami siya subahon. Maong. Tara mga naog na ta kay mga ligid na ta din he. Tara, let's go. Agoy. So, dili ta magpasagad og tunog-tunog no. Kay naadi ay tanom. Gamatoy pa kaayo, okra. Abi na kog sagbot. So, maghinay-hinay tag panunog ari okra. So, we have to be careful. I thought it's weeds. I thought it's sagbot. Ay, sagbot. Weeds nga lahi da. So, di ara subaho na to ni. Let's cook this. Gutom ko ako'y pamahaw. So guys, kigutom ko paso-paso sa mugusan. Makoy pamahaw kaon sa ako. So, I have rice. Gamay ra akong rice guys, pero wala ko ng diet ha. Hugdan lang ko. So, I have fish tinola. Nalimot ko unsa ni isda and of course bulad, dried fish. O nangayo ko gamay uyap nilang Sheila. So gamay lang guys kay it will it will trigger my asthma. Gamay man guys. So that's it. And our corn is already cooked. Thank. Init guys. Init na. Tag rice. So our corn is cooked. Let's try. Sinugbang mais. Grilled corn. Ay